Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Plan With Me video, and this is the second time I'm going to film a Plan With Me in my Hobonichi cousin daily pages. This was the last spread that I did for you on camera. If not this one, then probably this one. I'm not sure which one I filmed by now. So let me go ahead and start by taking away this bookmark on a string bookmark, and this is the kit that I will be using. This is called Pink Supreme, and this is option B, and this is the first page. So you have your date covers, strip sticker, checklist bar, some decorative circles, label stickers, and the boxes. Or rather, no, not the boxes, but the dots. I might play around with this. This had just come out of the Cameo, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the strip. By the way, this is for the Hobonichi weeks, and oh no, not the strip. It's already not going well, this Plan With Me. I'm gonna start with this, and since I bordered the boxes like this on this page, I'm gonna change it up here, similar to like this one or even this one. So I'm gonna start with the giant bottom box. So I'm just aligning it to the fourth, fifth line. Should cover everything well. It's just a little bit crooked here, but if I had aligned it properly, it would have covered everything. But I do not mind. So let's go up here, and I'm gonna put this. So this is the left bottom bar, and it fits perfectly over in this corner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my checklist. I'm gonna put it here at the side. Oops. It's a little bit difficult. Just take your time to align. Okay. Oh no, it's already crooked. Okay, I give up. You will lay as you want. I'm not gonna force you to do anything. Okay, here we go. I could have put it closer to here, but it's okay. I don't mind. And then we're gonna take the strip and we're gonna put it here. This is gonna be a quick one. I just wanted to show you the options that you have. Maybe I can put it here. Yeah. Nah. I like it like this. Like on the other page. Maybe here. Yes. No. Okay, yes. Alright. I'm gonna get a bookmark. This one. I'm just gonna take off the end because it is a bit long. Oops. And there we go. So basically, because this is a Hobonichi Weeks kit, I'm not going to be using the cover-ups, the date cover-ups that I have here. I'm going to be using the other things or the other stickers in this kit. Let's go ahead and put today. So actually, I am filming this today and to do. I am filming this on the 14th. And today is the 14th. I don't know. Okay, yeah. What? And then I'm gonna put goals. And then I'm gonna put notes. And then I'm gonna put a label sticker here. Oh no, not yet. Okay, let's go down here. I'm gonna get this candle. And then I'm gonna put this on top of them. So the bottom bar and the candle. That's fine. And then I'm gonna take another label sticker. Gonna put it up there by notes. It fits. Perfect. And then I'm gonna take another circle. Gonna put it here. Yeah. It's like dessert because this is when we have dinner. Then I'm just gonna put it here, put this at the bottom. I thought that this was done, but then I have nothing to put there, so I just put it here. And then I still have one label left and a tracker and some teardrops. I think I'm done with this this page of the sticker, so I'm just gonna put that away. And then I'm gonna put the teardrops over here for specific things that I want to keep a record of. Okay, now let's have it run. So this has 1, 2, 1, 2, and then this goes, and then the very last, oh, I think this is too close. Yeah, that's perfect. And this one at the very bottom. So I still have one left. And I'm gonna put it up here next to goals, or underneath goals. And then I'm gonna use track. I don't know what I use this for as of now. Maybe water again, because that's what I tend to do. If I have nothing to track, I track water. So here are my empties, this one and this one. I don't think I'm gonna use the dots today. I think I'm gonna reformat this before it goes live on Saturday. So let me go ahead and grab my pen. Yeah, this is a legit plan with me. So this is my pen pouch, my very well-loved pen pouch. I'm gonna use this. The ink in here is called, focus, Sailor Shikiori in Sakura Mori. And this is just a generic fountain pen. This is like one of my trainer fountain pens. And let's go ahead and start writing. Let me use some of my sticker books today because I miss them. So this is my favorite tiny sticker book. I should like film a video of my favorite things. Wow, I can't choose. Here we go. I want to put this. I've been saving this, so I'm gonna take this sticker. I'm gonna put it up here. Now I love this, but the thing is, I wish that there were more clear sticker coats. that I can use. Oh, I'm gonna use this because that's probably gonna be here. It's coffee o'clock. I'm gonna have coffee in about 3 hours. Another coffee. We are sending kits today. Oh, hang on. No. I have another one. The one I rarely use. Here we go. Here. That's pretty. This one. We are sending out kits. So I'm gonna put it here. Yeah. Ooh. There we go. We're sending out kits, meaning we're sending out orders. Is there a loving? I've been looking for something. Like a... I'm going to use this too for emails. This is probably what this is going to be. And then I'm going to... Ooh, ice cream. What's that? Hang on. Ooh, yes, I found it. Okay, here we go. This is the one I was going to use. It's loving, it says there. I'm going to put it here. Loving. So I've built me up a really good corner here. That's really going to make me happy when I flip through this planner, I am sure. Okay. Do I have anything else I want to use? Ooh, okay. Yeah, hot pink. Okay, that looks nice. And then I'm just gonna write stuff here. Anything pink, guys? Oh, this is pretty. Let's use this. It looks odd because there's nothing written on it, but it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna use one of these. I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, that's perfect. So on this corner here, I'm probably gonna write down things that I need to do for my trip because I am leaving next week, just so I don't forget, you know, things that take a while to do. Like, where's my pen? Laundry. So I know I have all my proper gear with me. And then I don't know yet. Okay, I think this is done. Yeah. This is the pen that I'm using, and I'm just gonna fill this up when the day happens. And I'll try to post a photo tomorrow when this page is complete. And that is all for us today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like some more planner videos, please subscribe to paperjoyph. And if you want any of this stuff that I showed you, especially kits like these, we do have a shop. It's called paperjoyph. So go ahead and check us out. I'll leave links down below to where you can get this and also to where you can get this. So this is the Doki Doki Love collection. I forgot which one. This is probably Doki Blue. No, this is Doki Love. So this was that kit. And again, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!